Hey guys, it's Susan. Let's make some beautiful raw amethyst earrings today. These are super cute, they're fun, they're sparkly, and they're easy to make. So let's get started. I want to show you how to do this. I'm going to use my raw amethyst in this design, and what I need to do is pick out two nuggets that are somewhat similar in size, so when I make my earrings there's some symmetry to them. So I think these two look pretty good together, so let me cut this one off. So take that one, and this one looks good too. So those look pretty good. And I need some twisted jump rings, and I'm going to use silver. I think silver and amethyst look so good together. So I'm going to use 2 jump rings on each ear. I also need a couple of earring wires. So let me get 2 of those out. Need some wire, so I'm going to use 22 gauge, but before I cut it, I'm going to see if it goes through my amethyst. So let me see if I can even find a hole on here. There it is. Okay, so it goes through this one, and hopefully it will go through this one too. And it does. So I'm going to straighten out my wire, and I'm going to cut about, let's see, I'm thinking 3 inches just to give myself enough wire. So I'm going to cut 3 inches. One for each ear. I need to make a bend on this end. So I'm going to just bend it up like this. And do the same for this side. I'm making a head pin. So let me go ahead and put this one through. And that's a little bit low here, so I need to find a spacer. So this strand looks good. This is 3mm titanium silver hematite smooth round. So I'm going to go ahead and use this. Looks pretty, very shiny. So I'm going to put this on. Then I'm going to add my nugget. And I think that looks a lot better. You can actually see the nugget now. I'm going to straighten out my head pin at the end. Do the same for this one. Add one of these. Add my nugget. So that looks good. I need to also collapse this a little bit so the head pin isn't so big. Okay, so that looks okay, and straighten it out a bit. I'm also going to add one to the top and one to the top of this. And I'm going to go ahead and do my wire wrap. So I'm going to come in with my chain nose pliers, bring the wire to the back, come in with my round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate, and bring the wire to the back. I'm going to go ahead and open the door here and add my jump ring. Then I'm going to pinch the loop down, and now I can wire wrap around. I'm going to use my flat pliers to come in and wire wrap. And I'm going to come back up, make it a little bit of a chunky wire wrap. And then I can go ahead and cut it off. Pinch down my burr. I'm going to do the same for this one. Come in with my chain nose pliers, bring the wire to the back, come in with my round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate, bring the wire to the back. I'm going to go ahead and open the door for that, slide on my twisted jump ring, hold down my loop that I made, come in with my flat pliers and a wire wrap around. Then I'm going to cut off the excess. And pinch down my burr. Okay, let's move this aside. Now what we're going to do is, because I want this to be a double jump ring on each one, I'm going to open up my jump ring. Let me find the space. And then I'm going to add my jump ring. I'm going to add my earring wire, and then I'm going to close it back. Do the same for the other side. Open it up, add my jump ring, add my earring wire, and close it up. And there you have it, so sparkly and so easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will give these earrings a try. They are so beautiful on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.